welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 131st program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and I will type the program. How to use background delay transition. We'll start with doctype HTML. HTML tag, head tag, title tag, now we'll end the title tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, hashtag box, width, height. We have to set width, height, breadth, background, transition property, transition duration, transition delay, and transition timing function. And here we will give it 1500 pixels, height also, 150 pixel, background color, blue, duration 45, and steps 6. And here we will give width 300 pixel, height also 300 pixel, background color orange, now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag, now h1 tag, and now we'll end h1 tag. Now we'll end body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 131st with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. This PC, the HTML folder and 131st program. So this is the basic output of how to use background delay transition. If we click on the blue color, it will turn to orange, and if we will take the arrow, then it will turn to blue and orange. The transition change if we put a click on the blue color. So this is the transition property of HTML, and don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.